Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. How you guys are doing? I hope your watercolor painting going great. You're learning and you're improving. So in this watercolor tutorial, I'm going to make this Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. So I hope you will have a really fantastic time going through this tutorial. And before starting this, I just wanted to say thank you so much all my patrons who's been helping me to create such watercolor tutorials. So thank you everyone who's helping me to create this. So let's start doing the sketch first. So as I said, you need to be very much active creating many sketches. So this is how you will be creating many sketches that will really help you to leverage your watercolor learning skill, because the sketch is something is so important, and unfortunately very less people giving much importance. So I would request you to please look into that. So enjoy this video and let me know if you have any question in the comment section. So I will definitely try to reply your comment. So have a really nice time. And so I just wanted to bring a very important news is that I have recently launched a new category tag in my Patreon page, where you can access my very exclusive watercolor tutorials where you can learn from, you can explore, and there are a lot many other rewards are involved in those tags. So moreover, what is really interesting thing is that I will be creating a very interesting the watercolor tutorial with the proper introduction and all of that, and I'll be uploading those tutorial in my Patreon page. And if you become the part of my tier categories patrons, then you will have a chance to access all of that. So please visit my Patreon page and check all of those categories.